Welcome dear friends. Today we will discuss about reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds. Now in reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds, first reaction Clemmensen reduction reactions, in that zinc, amalgam and hydrochloric acid used as reducing agents. Second, Wolff-Lechner reduction reactions. In that case, sodium ethoxide and alkali and hydrogen red is used as a reducing agents. Third, Melvin von Rauch-Beerlitz, that means MPV reduction reactions. In that reactions, isopropyl alcohol is used. And fourth, reduction reactions by reduction of carbonyl compounds or iodine ketones by using lithium, aluminum hydrides, LiAlEH4. Okay, so discuss one by one. Now first, Clemmensen reduction reactions. First, what about Clemmensen reduction reactions? Clemmensen reduction reaction is nothing but reaction in which aldehyde and ketones in reflux with a large excess amount of zinc amalgam. That means mercury and zinc and hydrochloric acid. Then carbonyl group get converted into methylene group. That means here to form corresponding hydrocarbons. This reaction is known as Clemmensen reduction reactions. That means in these reactions, C double bond group, carbonyl group get converted into CH2 group. Carbonyl compound get converted into hydrocarbons. Okay. Now, general examples. Let's consider RC double bond to R dash or R1. That means it may be aldehyde or ketones. A reflux with zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid. Then it gives corresponding hydrocarbon. And now here zinc chloride, mercury and water as a byproducts. Now example, acetaldehyde. That means example of aldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergoes reflux with zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid, then it gives ethane. That means here CH2 form CH2. That means C double bond group get converted into CH2. Okay. Now here in these reactions, this C double bond O group get converted into CH2 and one more hydrogen, that's why converted to as CH3. That means hydrocarbon ethane. Okay. And now these are the byproducts. Now one more example of aldehydes. That means aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde, reflux with zinc amalgam, that means Ag, and hydrochloric acid, excess of hydrochloric acid, then it gives methylbenzene, that means here toluene. Here also C double bond group get converted to CH2. Okay. Now next examples of ketone, that means Clemmensen reduction reactions of ketones. Acetone. Let's consider one aliphatic example. Acetone. Acetone undergoes reflux with zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid, it gives propane. That means here also C double bond O group get converted to CH2. That means this carbonyl compound get converted into CH2 group or hydrocarbons. Now example of aromatic ketones, acetophenone. Same, acetophenone react with zinc amalgam and excess of HCl, it undergoes a reflux reaction, it gives ethylbenzene. Okay, that means ketone form converted into CH2, that means methyl form. Or carbonyl compound get converted into hydrocarbons. Now another one examples of cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone undergoes reflux with zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid, they reduce cyclohexane. That means here also C double bond group, this carbon having C double bond O, okay, this C double bond O group get converted into CH2 group, that means here cyclohexane. Okay. Now this is known about Clemmensen reduction reactions of aldehyde ketones. In case of aldehyde, example of aliphatic aldehyde, acetaldehyde and aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde in with ketone. Example with ketone, acetone and acetophenone. One more example of a cyclohexanone also. Now next reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketones, Wolff-Fishner reduction reactions. Again, the name of this reaction, depending upon the name of scientists will use the reactions. Aldehyde and ketones on heating with hydrazine, and strong base like KOH or sodium ethoxides at about 450 to 470 degrees Celsius. Then here also same carbonyl group get converted to methylene. Then C double bond group get converted to CH2 groups. Okay, and now this reaction is known as Wolff-Fishner reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketones. So actually what happens in this reaction? Same aldehyde and ketones heated with hydrazine in presence of strong base like KOH or sodium ethoxide at about 450 to 470 degrees Celsius. Then here carbonyl group get converted into methylene groups. Okay, this reaction is known as a Wolff-Fishner reaction. That means again here same carbonyl group get converted into hydrocarbons. Okay, now general example RC double bond OR1, that means here it acts as it may act as aldehyde or ketone, react with hydrazine NH2, single bond NH2, hydrazine. Then it first gives hydrazine compounds. Now which on hydrolysis it gives hydrocarbon. It gives hydrocarbons. And now in this reaction hydrogen gas evolved. Now example of this Wolff-Fishner reduction reactions of aldehyde particular acetaldehyde react with hydrazine in presence of a strong alkyl like KOH or ethanol at about 450 to 470 degrees Celsius. They reduce ethane. Now another examples of aromatic aldehyde. Instead of here acetone, this is an example of a benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde react with hydrazine at about 450 to 470 degrees Celsius in presence of strong alkali like KOH or sodium ethoxide. They reduce ethyl benzene. This is not a methyl benzene. This is not a ethyl benzene. Actually, this is a methyl benzene, which is also known as a toluene. Make the correction. Here instead of acetophenone acts as a benzaldehyde, or now here instead of ethyl benzene acts as methyl benzene. Okay, sorry for this. Now next reduction reactions between von Wagner's reduction reactions. Now this is also known as a MPV reduction reactions. Now what is meant by MPV reduction reactions? Now aldehyde and ketones when treated with the aluminum isopropoxides in isopropanol. Then here what happens? Carbonyl group get converted into carbonyl group reduced to alcoholic group. That means here C double bond O group get converted into CHOH group. That means here partial reduction take place. Okay, and to give corresponding alcohol. This reaction is known as a Melvin-von Wagner reduction reaction. That means MPV reduction reactions. And what happens here actually? Here C double bond O group get converted to CHOH group. Okay, that means here partial reduction take place. Now general reaction RC double bond OR-NH, it may be aldehydes or ketones, react with aluminum isopropoxide in a propanol. Now this is a structural formula of aluminum isopropoxide. Now this is isopropoxide and aluminum isopropoxide. And in presence of isopropanol. This is isopropanol. So what happened here? Here simple replacement or rearrangement take place here. It gives this is alkyl. Again here isopropoxides or here it may be actually hydrogen, that means alcoholic group. Okay, or aluminum propoxides, aluminum ethoxides, like this, aluminum isopropoxides, and now this is the acetone. Now this aluminum isopropoxides or aluminum ethoxides, this undergoes acid hydrolysis. It gives alcohol. It may be secondary alcohol or primary, depending upon the nature of this aldehyde or ketones. Okay, this is general example, general reactions of melting point drop release reduction reactions. Now, let's example acetaldehyde. Example of aldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with aluminum isopropoxide in isopropyl alcohol. They reduce ethanol. That means here acetaldehyde gets converted into ethanol. That means here ethanol get converted into ethanol. Okay, this is also known as ethyl alcohol. Now, example benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, example of aromatic aldehyde, treated with or react with aluminum isopropoxide in isopropyl alcohol, then reduce benzyl alcohol. Same here, CH2 group get converted into CHOH groups. Okay. Now, example of ketone, acetone treated with the aluminum isopropoxide in isopropyl alcohol, then reduce 2-propanol. Why here 2-propanol? Because this is the acetone. Acetone undergoes reduction, it gives a secondary alcohol. That's why this is secondary alcohols. And aldehyde undergoes reduction, it gives a primary alcohol. That's why this is primary alcohols. Okay. Now here one more example of aromatic ketone. Acetic treated with the aluminum isopropoxide in a presence of or in isopropanol, they reduce 1-phenyl ethanol. These are examples of MPV reduction of aldehyde and ketones, aliphatic or aromatic aldehydes, aliphatic or aromatic ketones. Okay. Now next reduction reaction, last reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds, that means aldehyde and ketones, which is a reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Now what happened here? Aldehyde and ketones, when treated with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, then here carbonyl group get converted into alcohol group. That means here also same, the C double bond group undergoes partial reduction, it get converted into alcohol. Again here, depending upon the nature of aldehyde or ketones, it get converted to primary and secondary alcohols. Okay, this is generally reactions. It may be aldehyde or ketones react with LiAlH4, that means lithium aluminum hydride in ether, they reduce alcohol. Now example acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde treated with lithium aluminum hydride in ether, they reduce ethanol. That means here acetaldehyde, so known as IUPAC name of acetaldehyde is ethanol. Ethanol get converted to ethanol. Now example benzaldehyde. Same benzaldehyde treated with lithium aluminum hydride, they in presence of ether they reduce benzyl alcohol. That means here C double bond group get converted to CHOH group. Here reduction of a primary alcohol, reduction of alcohol, it get converted into the primary alcohol. Reduction of aldehyde, it get converted to primary alcohol. Now what happened in a reduction, partial reduction of ketone? And again you know that reduction of ketone, it get converted into secondary alcohol. Same here, acetone treated with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, they reduce 2-propanol. That means here it is secondary alcohol. Example acetophenone. Here also in case of acetophenone treated with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, it gives 1-phenyl ethanol. Okay. Now these are examples of reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketones. 4 reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketones. First reaction is known as Clemmensen reduction, second is known as Wolff-Fishner reduction reaction, third is known as MPV reduction reaction, and fourth reduction by using lithium aluminum hydrides. Okay, so thank you friends.